Okay, so let's say you have a right triangle. You know it's a right triangle because of the right angle. So if this were 6 inches down here, 8 inches over here, let me go ahead and make that prism. So basically, attaching the triangle to the back are 3 legs. That's this one, and then the dotted one that goes through the objects. So, your main goal is to be able to pick out the measurements, okay, when it comes to surface area. You know that when it comes to a triangular prism, there's going to be 2 triangles and 3 lateral faces because there's 3 sides to a triangle. So the best thing to do is to draw the shapes out separately. So you already know from our last guided notes session that since you have a triangle, okay, draw one of those triangles. Actually, go ahead and draw both of them. Okay, and then go ahead and identify the base, the height, the base, the height, and then your diagonals. Okay, now still go ahead and draw that long diagonal with the 3 different sections. Each of those sections is going to represent each side of that triangle. So we have 6, 8, 10 as the width of each one of those rectangles, which also represents the sides from the triangle. And then, of course, the height of the prism, those legs that attach, okay, the 2 triangles, that's going to be the width of all, the length of all your rectangles. So now just go ahead and find the area of each figure. Okay, once you find the area of all 3 rectangles and both triangles, you can add them all together to get your surface area. So here are your individual areas of each figure, then add them all up at the end. You get a total surface area of 288 inches squared. Hopefully this will help make things easier for you when it comes to triangular prisms, especially when it comes to doing your work for the next slide.